Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Value Chain Minutes. This is Andy Brisley with Apps Associates, and today I'm pleased to have with me Pratik Aradia of Lambda Technologies and from Oracle, Lenore Siegler and Roger Hentz. Apps Associates, along with Lambda Technologies, Inexia, and with the support from Oracle, is thrilled to announce the restart of the Maintenance Summit. Now, the summit will be held on March 3rd and 4th in Houston at the Emporium Conference Center. Now, the event is geared toward anyone that is using or considering using asset management solutions from Oracle and will cover both cloud maintenance as well as EBS asset management. Now, this is a great opportunity for you to network and learn from other maintenance users as well as industry experts. Now, in general, we will have customers explain their journey with the solutions, the lessons they've learned, as well as the improvements that they've achieved. We'll also have panel discussions around best practices from industry experts and roadmap overviews from Oracle. And during all of these sessions, we'll provide opportunities to ask the experts. Now, there are no registration fees for this event, but we do have limited space. So we're encouraging all of you to sign up as soon as possible. With that, I'd like to ask each of my guests today to suggest what attendees may take away from the sessions they'll be part of. Now, I'll start with a brief overview of what sessions apps will be leading and then turn it to Pratik. Pratik will turn it to Lenore, and Lenore will then turn it to Roger, and I'll wrap up. From an Apps Associates perspective, we're going to be covering a client story on how we use the AI Studio and agentic AI solutions to help streamline many of their PM work order processes in cloud maintenance. We'll also be talking about how we're working on the connectivity solutions into the asset level in and of itself and the challenges that that brings. And with that, I'll turn it over to Pratik.
Thank you, Andy. Hello, everyone. Pratik Goradia from Lambda Technologies. At the Maintenance Summit, we are putting the spotlight on how Texas Petrochemicals is raising the bar with Oracle EAM. By completely streamlining their maintenance work order approval process, they have eliminated bottlenecks, accelerated execution, and given their teams the clarity and control they need to keep their operations moving forward. Additionally, they've also taken a major step forward with the introduction of budgeted work orders, bringing cost visibility and accountability into the planning process way before the work starts. This enables smarter decisions, tighter financial control, and a maintenance department that truly aligns with the business. Lastly, the experience goes beyond the conference room. As a Maintenance Summit attendee, you'll get exclusive access to the Texas Petrochemicals Houston plant tour, where you can see Oracle EAM in action, supporting real operations, real assets, and real results. This is a maintenance transformation you can learn from, connect with, and experience firsthand at the Maintenance Summit. With that, I'll hand it over to Lenore.
Well, hello, everyone. My name is Lenore Siegler, and I work for Oracle, and I work on the EBS EAM product area. And one of the agenda items I'd like to talk to you about that we're working on for the Maintenance Summit deals with a presentation on an integrated solution that has been implemented at one of our EAM transportation organizations. This customer faced a very similar but critical challenge, closely tracking and optimizing fuel usage across their fleet. But they had to ensure that precise meter readings were being taken because of a lot of regulatory compliance. So their key challenges was manual fuel entry, inefficient maintenance scheduling, and compliance and reporting that they are required to do regularly. So the company turned to some of our value-added partners to help them integrate a third-party telematics solution to automate the capture and real-time fuel consumption of their vehicles along with the meter readings. And it went directly from those vehicles right into Oracle EAM. And this has totally transformed their operations. With these automated fuel readings, the maintenance team now receives instant alerts on any anomalies or inefficiencies, and this allows for prompt intervention. The accurate meter readings now flow seamlessly for service scheduling and compliance reporting, and it really eliminates all that tedious manual entry, and it reduced the risk of human error. And thanks to this integration, they've achieved measurable fuel cost savings, improved their asset utilizations, and boosted the transparency across the fleet. The maintenance managers can now look at all this unified information and reporting on a great dashboard and make action-oriented decisions on the spot. And their drivers spend less time on paperwork and more time on the road. So hear about this and many other case studies at the Maintenance Summit. Now I'll hand it over to Roger, who will tell you about another thing we're working on. Roger?
Thank you, Lenore. This is Roger Entz. I'm responsible for product management in Fusion maintenance. What we're going to do at the summit is we're going to talk about customers and how they transitioned from traditional on-prem systems or niche solutions into Oracle Cloud maintenance. We'll show you what immediate benefits they saw with the use of emerging technologies such as AI, but also our new Redwood adaptive user interfaces. One of the customers that we want to talk about is Republic Services, or RSI. RSI is a leader in environmental services, operating about 17,000 trucks and completing more than 5 million pickups every day across all of North America. But behind that scale was a technology landscape that couldn't keep up. Core functions like asset management, finance, and procurement were spread across multiple legacy systems, heavily customized and largely manual. Teams relied on paperwork orders and offline spreadsheets. Data was siloed, and visibility into assets and costs was very limited. Suppliers submitted invoices manually, technicians tracked maintenance on paper, and finance teams struggled with reporting and transaction tracking. The result was inefficiencies, higher risk, and delayed preventive maintenance for mission-critical equipment. Republic Services addressed these challenges by implementing Oracle Maintenance and Oracle Field Service, among other solutions within the Cloud Fusion application. Paper processes were replaced with digitally, automatically planned and scheduled work orders. Technicians gained more time to focus on maintaining trucks, facilities, and heavy equipment, improving asset reliability and availability. Integrated work order management and supplier warranty tracking also enabled Republic Services to maximize warranty recoveries, driving measurable cost savings while increasing operational efficiency at scale. This is just one of the examples that we want to promote on the Maintenance Summit. There will be other customers that have similar benefits from taking advantage of these new technologies and the new integrated processes across Fusion apps, including Oracle Maintenance Cloud. So with that, I hand over back to Andy.
Well, thanks, Roger, Pratik, and Lenore for that. And again, at the end of this will be a barcode for you to register for the summit. And we look forward to seeing you all there. Don't hesitate to reach out to any of us for any questions that we have. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time on Value Chain Minutes.